Hot 97's legendary morning program, Ebro in the Morning, has officially concluded its run after years of influencing hip hop radio. A 13-year chapter in New York radio history came to an end on Friday, December 12, 2025, when the show, which debuted in 2012, made its final transmission. The show, which combined hip hop music, celebrity interviews, pop culture, and social commentary, was the backbone of morning radio for both New Yorkers and listeners nationwide through syndication. It gained recognition for its distinctive blend of news, entertainment, and open dialogue about current affairs. The three main hosts of the show were Ebro Darden, who is well known for his perspective, opinions, and presence in hip hop culture, Peter Rosenberg, who is praised for his astute comments and knowledge of music, and Laura Stiles, whose captivating personality contributed to the development of a devoted listener base. Over the course of 13 years, Ebro in the Morning evolved from a radio program to a cultural icon that shaped social discourse, music, and entertainment trends while forging close bonds with listeners. Show hosts posted their opinions on social media after the most recent telecast. "It's done," posted Ebro Darden. He wrote with the hashtag "There will be more Ebro in the Morning," hinting at upcoming ventures while announcing the show's conclusion. In retrospect, Peter Rosenberg said, "I lived out a childhood dream and it was amazing. Eager to see what comes next. Change may be lovely." Laura Stiles thanked her audience, referring to them as the most beautiful community, and alluded to upcoming material in 2026, while implying that the host's career are far from over. These statements emphasize the emotional impact of the show's conclusion. More significant changes at Hot 97 coincide with the conclusion of Ebro in the Morning. In 2025, longtime DJs changed their schedules or quit the station, and Hot97.com no longer mentions the morning show, signaling a long-term shift in programming. According to industry experts, podcasts, streaming services, and digital platforms are becoming increasingly competitive with traditional radio, and Hot 97's modifications seem to reflect this changing media landscape. Super Radio Networks, the show's syndication partner, has confirmed that the Ebro brand would continue in different formats even though the show itself has stopped. While the distribution of Ebro in the Morning in its current form is ending, Super Radio remains fully committed to the Ebro brand. The company stated in a statement, "We are excited to be showcasing Ebro's ability and voice on new platforms. Although no formal plans have been made yet, this offers possible project that could be done online, through podcasts, or through other media means." One of the most influential shows in hip-hop radio history is Ebro in the Morning. Its blend of news, commentary, music, and cultural debate inspired listeners across the country in addition to New York's radio culture. A significant era comes to an end with the show's conclusion, but it also gives its host new opportunities for future endeavors. The show's effect will endure long beyond the last broadcast, as fans from all around the world have rushed to social media to share their favorite moments and make predictions about what will happen next. A pivotal point in the radio history is the conclusion of Ebro in the Morning. The host's skill, the Ebro brand, and their influence on hip-hop culture are far from over, even though the show has ended. For Ebro, Rosenberg, and Styles, the future holds fresh endeavors and ongoing media and entertainment influence.